Hey guys, this is Dan with an update on XKR about some vacuum leaks which I've been chasing for a couple of days with success, I can say that. Okay, one of them, the major one on here is the bypass actuator valve. I mean, there's the actuator itself, which pretty much is opening and closing the bypass valve on the supercharger. It's controlled by the vacuum created. Anyway, another leak, it's on a brake booster, which is this line. Pretty much has the o-ring is very brittle and it's sucking fake air from there too. Another one, it's for the valve cover PVC valve. Also, this thing, it's leaking air. And another leak, unbelievable, but it was still there. It's from the oil tube. This thing was here in the bottom, was leaking air, getting sucked fake air. Anyway, yeah, just want to share with you, I have the pump, the vacuum pump here. If you're looking at the, when I'm start like pumping it, oh, nothing happens. Oh, it's already, here we go. See, it's moving. Okay, that one is not moving at all. Yep, I think that's about it. Thank you.